Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Firewall and how it can help you in the security of your system. But before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Firewall is one of difficult terms and acronyms that are thrown around, especially in IT and tech solutions. This is because they've been around for a while in professional contexts, but it may confuse you if you're new to the field. One thing that we should all be aware of is a term called a firewall. Whilst it's not the only security solution, it is still used heavily in the business sector. In reality, a single solution will not provide you with the level of security that is needed. To be safe, you need a multitude of different products to secure a network. A firewall is designed to monitor the traffic that goes in and out of your network for any security issues. It's true that there are threats that can bypass a firewall, but keep in mind there are also other ways to protect your business. To illustrate this point, think of locking the front door of your house. You're preventing someone from entering through the standard door, but if they can easily access an open window and break in, it doesn't matter. It is the reasoning to have a firewall, but it's also important to have one that covers all potential attacks vectors to fully safeguard yourself. The firewall helps you in following things. 1. Spam protection. Spam emails generally don't threaten your security, but can provide a leak in your organization's IT system. They are also draining for staff and uninteresting for the person who receives them. Spam filters can help you deal with this issue, but it's always a good idea to get your employees involved and encourage them to keep an eye out for any suspicious messages. 2. Centralized antivirus. Company-wide remote antivirus fixes that are scheduled will be easier than having to do it yourself, and you will also be able to save significantly more time and increase security. Anytime you update your threat definitions for things such as malware, your entire company will be automatically safeguarded. 3. Data backup. If you find yourself in a tough situation and you've lost a considerable amount of data, backups are a solution people typically have as well. They let you keep your company safe while also taking care of data protection. 4. Virtual private networking. VPNs are perfect for when you're out at the office and need to still access files and resources of your company's network. A virtual private network VPN allows a group of users or systems sharing the same set of authentication credentials, such as passwords or certificates, to communicate securely over untrusted networks such as public Wi-Fi hotspots. You can use a VPN to prevent remote access from outside the network, which makes it much more difficult for unauthorized people to get in. 5. Phishing awareness. Anti-phishing solutions allow you to detect a potential scammer. The message may not seem fraudulent, but it's important to know the facts so that you can make the best decision for your personal safety and security, and of course those around you. Filters are a necessary protection from the dangers of cyber attacks, but to go the extra mile, you should keep your eyes open for new threats. A firewall is an optional component, and it should not be the only security solution you use. By combining it with a range of other enterprise-level solutions, you can make sure that your business has the strongest protection possible. We also offer employees continuous cybersecurity training, so they know about the new threats as soon as they appear. To learn more about how you can implement the best security services on the market, reach out to NAXYM at 310-870-8999. So, this is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.